Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by using an admin PowerShell because built-in UI fixes require elevated permissions. Once you open Task Manager, run PowerShell. exe as administrator and keep Task Manager visible. Make sure to close or minimize heavy background apps to avoid conflicts. This reduces interference while services restart. You're preparing the environment and taking the first actionable step right now, launching PowerShell Elevated. So the repair commands that follow can modify system packages and re-register the start. You'll re-register start menu packages to repair corrupted app manifests. Paste the long PowerShell command exactly and press enter. It re-registers all AppX packages for all users, which rebuilds start menu links and live tile registrations. Once that finishes, stop and restart Explorer. exe so the shell reloads. This applies the new registrations immediately. Also check that services like Windows Search and the Shell Experience host are running, because they support start functionality. If not, start them from services, MSC or via PowerShell. You finish by rebooting so all changes commit and temporary caches clear. This often resolves lingering issues. If the start menu still misbehaves, create a new administrator account and sign in. This quickly tells you if the problem is per user. If it's system-wide, run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair Windows integrity. If none of that works, note the single key troubleshooting tip. Test in a new admin user to isolate profile versus system faults before deeper steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.